Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture of mechanical vibration. The subject code is 502. In the previous lecture, we have already covered what is the vibration. Now, in today's lecture, we will cover the topic, what are the causes of vibration. So, this subject, that is mechanical vibration, comes under fifth semester RGP syllabus. My name is Ghanshyam Javulkar, and I'll tell you something about the causes of vibration. So let's start. So these are some examples of causes of vibration. So as I told you, whenever there is a mass imbalance or whenever a body having a mass, this mass can be restricted from its position, so there must be a vibration. Or I can say that whenever there is an unbalanced force, the effect of mass, there must be a vibration comes in picture. So there are some causes of vibration. First one is a repeating force. So this diagram shows you the example of this example shows you the one of the example of repeating force. As you can see, there is a ship which is moving in the water in a river or in a sea. So due to the waves on the surface of the river, there is a unbalancing of the ship. So this unbalancing of the ship creates a vibration in the ship. And when we are making the ship, we have to consider these vibrations that the ship can be strength enough to resist these kind of forces. So they are repeating one by one. They are randomly repeating one by one because there are a number of rivers, there are a number of waves on the river which are generated on the surface of the river. So this is one of the larger reason to cause the vibration. So this is the repeating force. Or is in the case of an automobile, suppose there is a shaft which is rotating, and this shaft, due to the road conditions, there is a fluctuation in the level of the wheel. So there is a fluctuation on the shaft, and this fluctuation is called vibration. So this is the major reason to cause vibration cause, repeating force. Second one is looseness. So supposed to be there must be a motor and this is fixed on the bearing. If the bearings are not properly fixed enough to the base, so there must be a vibration. Second, supposed to be there is a motor, or I can say that there is a pump which is not situated at the base properly. There is a loose bolt in the motor or the pump, so there is a vibration comes due to the looseness of the machine or the assembly. So the second reason, the second cause of vibration is looseness. The third one is resonance. Resonance comes after these two, repeating force and looseness. After these two cause of vibration, the third cause of vibration is resonance. If there is a vibration, if there is an unbalancing of force, there is a looseness, the tendency to repeat a vibration, the tendency of the effect of vibration is increasing one by one, and this tendency is called resonance. The increase in vibration, the intensity of vibration is increasing because the repeating force and the looseness, that is called resonance. So these are the three causes of vibration. Now there are some other examples of cause of vibration. So as I told you, repeating force, looseness, resonance, these are the main causes of vibration. Now the next one is change in the direction with time. Suppose we are moving a bicycle and suddenly you are changing the direction and moving the handle to change the direction. So there is a force of inertia which also creates a vibration in the bicycle. So such as the force generated by the rotating unbalance. Or you can say that if the force is generating in a rotating unbalance. Now the next one is change in amplitude or intensity with time. If there is a change of amplitude or intensity with the time, such as unbalanced magnetic force generated in a motor due to unequal air gap between the armature and shaft. Now the next reason or the next cause of vibration, that is friction between rotating and stationary machine components, like between O and the violin string of two vibrations. You can assume you have already seen the play of vibration. This is a musical instrument. So due to the friction between bow and the string of the violin, there is a vibration, and due to that vibration, the sounds generated. Next cause of vibration is impacts such as gear to contact of the impacts generated by the rolling elements of bearing passing over the overflow in the bearing race wheels. So, impacts such as gear tooth or bearing in the gear tooth or bearing, if they are connected with the fluctuating load, there is a vibration comes in play. Now, the next cause of vibration is randomly generated turbulence force. Devices such as fans, blower pumps, gas turbines, boilers, etc. So, randomly generated turbulence also a cause of vibration. Now, the next cause of vibration is improper installation with proper or improper mounts, isolators, etc. So, in the improper installations, there is a cause of vibration. Now, the next is flanking transmission path in piping, building, etc. So, if there is a flow or there is a path of flow due to the obstacles in the flow or due to the sudden cross section and bends, there must be vibration. So this is one of the cause of the vibration. So friends, I have already told you what is the vibration in the last lecture and why it is generated, what are the causes of generation of vibration we have already covered in this lecture. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you very much.